And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this set of door stop wedges. We get 4 of them here. Very, very nice. What's actually cool is you could technically use these on 4 different doors, or if maybe you have a door that has like a floor that's a little lower, you can take this one and put it into this one, and now it's a little thicker. That way it can stop that door. That's a pretty cool design. Never seen door stoppers like this. They're made out of a nice like rubber material. I don't think they would move on the floor, and a few spots for the door to be caught. I really like these. Let's put these on one of our doors and show you how they work. So here's our door stoppers, and with using one of them on this door, you see it kind of slides over it. So what's great about these door stoppers is I can stack 2 of them easily together and then can slide that under like so to stop the door. So there we go. That'll do it for these door stoppers. You get a total of 4 in this kit. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send them to me. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.